now, so
Right,
just hold
hold
it.
it.
Don't put your finger there.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god.
Sorry, I just want a close-up of Rianne's face.
I'm crying.
I just don't get it. Why?
Has it broke yet?
It's a different video.
He's just pulled a screwdriver out of his penis. Blood everywhere.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
I'm crying.
Oh my god. Why would you do that to yourself? It's just stupid.
Why?
God.
Why? Close me.